Hey guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Gadgets. Today we are talking about the Roborock Qrevo series robot vacuum and mop with 8000 PA suction, upgraded from Qrevo's anti-tangle brushes, smart obstacle avoidance, auto mop washing, all-in-one dock, 200 RPM spinning mops, black QV35A. This robot vacuum is designed for users who want a smarter and more automated cleaning experience with minimal manual effort. The biggest highlight here is the powerful 8000 PA suction, which delivers strong cleaning performance for dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris on both hard floors and carpets. The QV35A comes with upgraded anti-tangle brushes that help reduce hair wrapping issues, making it more useful for homes with pets or long hair. The smart obstacle avoidance system also improves navigation by helping the robot move around furniture, cables, and other household objects more efficiently. One of the strongest features is the all-in-one dock, which automatically handles dust emptying, water refilling, mop washing, and mop drying. This makes the cleaning process far more convenient because users do not need to constantly maintain the robot after every cleaning session. The dual spinning mops rotate at 200 RPM and provide deeper floor cleaning compared to traditional dragging mops, helping remove stains and everyday dirt more effectively. It also supports automatic mop lifting when carpets are detected, which helps avoid wetting carpet surfaces. Navigation performance is also impressive thanks to precise LiDAR mapping, which creates accurate room maps and allows efficient route planning through the app. Users can customize cleaning schedules, no-go zones, and room-specific settings directly from the smartphone application. Overall, the Roborock Qrevo Series QV35A is a premium robot vacuum and mop system that combines strong suction power, advanced automation, intelligent navigation, and convenient self-cleaning features, making it an excellent choice for modern smart homes. Thank you. See you in next video.